When money is lost, something is lost. When honor is lost, much is lost. When courage is lost, everything is lost. Year 2025 is about to end now, and you're still feeling the void of achievement. When you scroll Instagram photos and you see other people achieving remarkable success, that time you think, when I am going to do that? But I want to congratulate you because you still have that inner fire and you still care about your goals, which is why you are thinking to make the greatest comeback of your life. In this video, I will share 3 power steps for making the greatest comeback of your life. 1. Eliminate garbage. 2nd. Clean your mind. Add what you value. 3rd. Surrender to routine. Let's get into it. I talked about eliminating garbage. Actually, we are living in the endless flow of information. The moment you get up in the morning, from that point of time, you are flooded with information. Most of the information is unimportant, irrelevant, harmful, unnecessary, and that information is occupying your mind. And unknowingly, you are getting into that information and you are wasting your time. You are not realizing that. But more than that, you are losing the very thing which is responsible for achieving great success. That is concentration. It is happening because of the overload you face of information. You and your friends are chit-chatting in the cafeteria and one of your friend went to the foreign and he's talking about foreign trips. He has shown you photos and other things, and suddenly you also find yourself scrolling down photos of foreign places. You're watching videos about foreign places and you have no intention of going to foreign trips, but still you're wasting your time on that particular subject, foreign trips. Second example, you watched an interview of the celebrity. You started looking his history and you're sort of doing PhD on that particular celebrity without recognizing that the information has came from the outside. It has nothing to do with your life. It is completely unimportant, unnecessary to you. But still you are wasting your precious time on that. I just talked about 2 things, but you are getting into this irrelevant information for 24/7, which is coming to you from thousands of sources. Which is why, for making the greatest comeback of your life, first you have to take care of the precious thing which is you, your thoughts, your goals, your life. And stop indulging into irrelevant information, unimportant things which are making you feel bad. Eliminate garbage, which means throw away information which is not related to you. Don't talk about information which is not related to you. Protect your life, protect your goals by concentrating on your goals only, by removing garbage out of your life. Second point, clean your mind, add what you value. Actually, in your mind you have personal ghosts, which are worries, fears, insecurities, and victim mentality. And these personal ghosts, and they're harming your potential, harming your performance. So you have to clean your mind with these ghosts. I'm not saying that you have to fight these ghosts. You have to clean your mind to make room for personal angels, which are confidence, courage, and winning mentality. How do you do that? 1. Stop consuming worry content. When people feel bad, they go to sad people. Everyone complains about their life because, as we know, misery loves company. But what is making you? Earlier people used to meet people, but now they watch content. Whatever the content is linked to their emotion, they are watching that. You have to understand whatever is making you feel worried, bad, or fearful is making you weaker. Because here we are talking about protecting, guarding our mind. Here we are talking about getting rid of personal ghosts and inviting personal angels in your life, which are confidence, courage, and winner mentality. But when you watch content like threats to humanity, if you're watching this content, that content is making you weaker. Because of this content, you're inviting personal ghosts in your life, which are worries, fears, insecurities, and victim mentality. Look for strength in content. Worship strength and you will become strength. Second thing, start consuming strength content. See, why we love heroes? We love heroes because they served humanity. We love heroes because they made things better. We love heroes because they reached to the peak of human potential. And we love heroes because they overcame impossible obstacles. And we get strength from our heroes. We get strength to work, to live, to win. So watch content of these heroes. But you have to make a difference between fake heroes and real heroes. Real heroes are those who are serving humanity, who are reaching to the peak of human potential, who are overcoming impossible obstacles. These are real heroes. Watch their content. Get into their spirit. Understand their thoughts. How they live. What are their habits. How are they doing the things they are doing? Then you will invite strength in your life. Then you will get rid of personal ghosts and invite personal angels, which are courage, confidence, and a winner mentality. See, for making the greatest comeback of your life, you need these things. Because the word greatest is about unleashing the power which we have, which is hidden because of our negative things, which can be unleashed by embracing things which are uplifting, which is why you have to clean your mind and add what you value. Third point, surrender to routine. Actually, this word has negative connotations because we normally talk, I'm living a routine life and I want to do something new. But if you realize that genius resides in routine, you will explore power of your mind while following a routine. You will experience the miracle of your brain while following a routine. Because routing is about repetitions and repetitions is about making stronger neural connections. And these neural connections are strengthening the skill or the thing which you are practicing or repeating. The more you practice, the more excellent you become in that particular field. We are in awe when we watch Hrithik Roshan dancing, right? And he's about to reach superhuman qualities now in dancing. When we see his great moves and great steps, we forget that he spent more than 25 years in routine, in practicing those skills. He followed a routine for 25 years and then we see his greatest moves. Pick any athlete, any artist, you will see that behind his magic there is a routine. There is a practice of lot of years, I would say practice of decades. You see, greatest comeback doesn't occur in a moment or suddenly. You have to lay first a strong foundation for that comeback. You have to surrender to routine. Then you will make the greatest comeback of your life. See, in routine there is consistency. In routine there is discipline. In routine there is growth. And in routine there is achievement. If you are following a routine, you are becoming consistent. You are becoming disciplined. You are growing and you are achieving your things. Trust in the power of pursuit. Surrender to your routine. Write down your goals. Plan your day. Surrender to your routine. Make the greatest comeback of your life. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to the channel for becoming a leader in your life. Thank you very much.